Manufacturers everywhere are turning to ultrasonic bonding technology to get the strong, safe welds they need.
It's the fastest and most effective way to fuse metals for products as diverse as automotive wire harnesses to cable assemblies.
Sonobond makes it easy to get the ultrasonic system that's right for your application. We can provide a free sample weld of your material so you can test before you invest. If needed, we can even visit your facility to specify the ideal solution for your needs. Sonobond ultrasonic welding technology outperforms conventional methods of wire splicing, spot welding, and wire-to-terminal welding. You get strong, precise, solid-state metallurgical bonds without the need for heat, current, or solder. With Sonobond, you can join similar and dissimilar non-ferrous metals without melting or slipping and with repeated accuracy. Join tinned or oxidized metals in a single pulse, eliminating the need for pre-cleaning. Join thin-to-thin or thin-to-thick materials. Produce joints with excellent thermal and electrical conductivity. Sonobond machines are engineered to deliver the performance you need to produce better bonds. And they're easy to use and maintain with minimal training. When you partner with Sonobond, you get the confidence of knowing that you're working with the technology leader. With experience in ultrasonic welding dating back to 1960, our patented wedge reed system is still the most efficient way to create strong, safe, ultrasonic bonds you can trust. So you can stay focused on your products.
Connect with Sonobond today to learn how we can help you solve your metal welding challenges.
Sonobond, engineering better bonds.